know, it's never a good sign when you're going to check on a property and you see fire coming or smoke coming, at least from the direction. So rolling up over here, gonna see what's going on. I don't know. It don't look like my property's on the right side. This looks like it's coming off the left side there, but I don't know. Maybe they're clearing some property and burning brush, or hopefully it's not anything more than that. I'm gonna develop a mobile home site out here on this property, so I figured I'd come check on it. They're supposed to do a survey the other day, so it looks like fire to me. Smoke, or I don't know what's going on there. Maybe a grass fire, huh? You barbecuing? All right. Oh, he's got a hose on it. I guess he's meant to do whatever he's doing. Don't look safe though. I wouldn't have done that. No, nope, would not have done that. Went past my property. I was just driving by. I said, I don't know if I want to stop and inhale all that, but I guess I'll make the block here and go check it out.